We'll guide you through how to install NetBeans on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, Pausa is going to continue.
To begin, the very first requirement for running up NetBeans is Java Development Kit, which is also known as JDK. Without Java, NetBeans will simply not run because it's built on top of the Java platform. So we will first need to install Java properly to make sure it is configured on our system before moving on to NetBeans. To install Java, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. I'm using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Oracle Java and hit enter. Now, just go to the official website for Oracle Java and click on download Java. In here, you will see the latest version, which is JDK 26. So I'm just going to scroll down and choose my operating system, which is going to be Windows. And here you'll see your product, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the x64 installer because it is much simpler. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the link to start downloading the exe file. And as you can see, the file has been successfully started downloading. And once that the exe file has downloaded, just go ahead and click on it to open your installer. Just click on yes if prompted, and now your setup wizard for Java will appear. Just go ahead and click on next, and now you will be shown the installation path. And in most cases, it is safe to keep the default location inside the program files. So just go ahead and click on next, and just wait for the installation to finish. And once that the installation is complete, just go ahead and click on close. Once that it is installed, we need to confirm that the Java is correctly installed in our system. To do that, just go ahead and go to your Windows search bar and type cmd and hit enter. Now, just go ahead and type Java space double hyphen and version and hit enter. If Java is installed correctly, you will see the version details displayed on the screen. Now comes an important part that many beginners miss, and this is setting up environment variable. This step ensures that Windows can recognize Java from any directory. To do this, just go ahead and search for environment variable and just open the edit the system environment variable just like so. And here under advanced, just go to environment variable. On the system, in here under system variable, you will see path. Just go ahead and double click on it. And now just go to your file and just go inside your file explorer and go inside local disk C, and here go inside program files. Here locate the Java folder and go to your Java version, and here go inside the bin folder and double click on the address bar and just press Ctrl C to copy the path and go to your system environment variable and click on new and press Ctrl V to paste it and click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK. This step is very important because without it, NetBeans or any Java tool may not detect Java properly. After completing Java setup, now we move on to installing Apache NetBeans. Now let's go ahead and open your browser once again and open a new tab and search for Apache NetBeans and hit enter. Just go ahead and click on the official website. Just click on download button, and now you will see, and here you will see a zip files. Here is where many users get confused because NetBeans no longer provides a simple exe installer like before. Instead, what you will see is a zip file or binary distribution. This is completely normal and is the latest official method. Now just go ahead and download the zip package. So I would recommend going with the binary one. So just click on the link to download it. And as you can see, our download has been successfully started. Just wait for the download to complete. And once that the zip file installs, just go ahead and open your file location. And now you will see it is a zip file, so we have to extract it. Just go ahead and click on extract and choose your extract location. So I'm just gonna leave it at C drive. So I'm just gonna delete all of the others and click on extract. And just wait for the extraction to complete as it may take some time. And once that the extraction is complete, just go ahead and open your NetBeans folder just like so. And from here, just go ahead and open the folder for bin. And here you will see the NetBeans application. So you can just go ahead and double click on it to open the application. At this point, NetBeans will start loading, and the first launch may take some time because it is setting up internal configuration. If NetBeans does not open or shows an error, it usually means Java is not correctly configured or the path variable is missing. In that case, go back and double check your Java installation and environment variable. And once NetBeans open successfully, you will see IDE interface load up. Now you can use it for Java development, web project, or any supported programming language. This is in the important thing to understand here is that NetBeans automatically detects your installed JDK. If it does not, you may need to manually point it to your Java installation folder inside the NetBeans configuration settings. At this stage, your setup is complete. Java is installed, environment variable are configured, and Apache NetBeans is successfully running on Windows 11. You now have a complete development environment ready for coding. If you face any issue where NetBeans does not open or closes immediately, it is almost always related to incorrect Java configuration or missing JDK path, so revisiting those steps usually solves the problem. And that's it for the tutorial.